didn't even think about it. See the ice? I haven't done a cold start on the truck in forever. I woke up this morning and it's 28 degrees outside. I'm going to get Starbucks. Sunday morning. We gotta get up and get this bread, baby. That was a lot of energy, I'm sorry. I was kind of waiting for it to warm up a little bit because I had something that I wanted to do to the truck today. But it's freezing cold outside. It was 28 degrees when I woke up this morning. Look, see my breath outside. It's freaking 12 o'clock noon and it's 28 degrees outside. I wonder, hold on, let's see. Y'all see that? 39 degrees in Marietta. I don't live in Marietta, but close enough. That's ridiculous is what that is. There's been like a month leading up to this, so obviously I had those perfect Alpha Rex headlights that I got from Alpha Rex. Shout out to Alpha Rex. And then I got them color matched and I was super happy with what I had. And then I got an opportunity to get the truck wrapped and I couldn't pass it up. And the color matched silver headlights obviously aren't gonna, you know, match anything that we do unless we kept the silver. So I had to put the old headlights back in, which is what we have here. I didn't want to put these back in because they're all faded and foggy and the bulbs stopped working, and I don't even have high beams in there right now, and these are just, it's not what I wanted to put back in there, but I had to complete the look of the truck. Today I have new headlights. It's been kind of dangerous riding with these because I haven't really had the best bulbs. I bought some $40 bulbs from AutoZone, and it's been a little dangerous having 5% windshield tint. My fog lights don't work right now for some reason, and I don't have very good headlight bulbs in there. It's been kind of dangerous, especially because it's been raining for the last 2 weeks. But today we're gonna change that. I got, shout out to Alpha Rex. I got a new set of H11 bulbs to go with the new headlight housings. I'm gonna swap the bulbs for the blinkers, which are LED as well, so they're not the orange. And then obviously I've got whole new housings that are going. They look a little bit different, so I'm kind of nervous, but we'll see how it goes. The sun's beaming down like right on me, so I'm trying not to be right in the freaking sun. That's what I'm doing. I had to keep the clear side markers. I couldn't go back with the orange. I still have my factory set that I could have put back in here, but I gotta keep the clear side markers. You guys notice a difference right away? I'll let you guys see if you can tell a difference. I don't know if I like the new ones better. They're definitely gonna be cleaner, but I think the new headlights are gonna highlight a part of the truck that most of you guys don't like anyway, and that's the chrome, but there ain't nothing left to do but to just swap it out. I think the thing I'm most scared about is scratching the wrap though. I don't have to take anything off the truck that would get scratched other than this bottom valence piece, which would be easy to get redone at some point if I absolutely had to. The hood will be up, and then obviously I'm worried about scratching around the edge. I mean, I guess that's just a risk that you take, right? I guess if I was gonna repaint the bow tie, now would be the time, but I really just don't feel like it. Changing these lights would be so easy, except for this one bracket that's behind the grill, which turns this from a 10 or 15 minute process to about a 30 or 45 minute process. And I feel like I've taken these headlights in and out different sets like 10 times. I'd also love to figure out why my fog lights don't work today too. Get a little side-by-side shot of the old versus new, and the difference here obviously is going to be the inside of these housings. Around here is black, right? Inside of these are chrome. Now the outside bezel, I guess you'd call it, and then that center black piece are the same clear markers on the side. These have orange bulbs in them currently, so I'm about to get those swapped out for those. But that's the only difference. And I actually really liked these because the black on the inside is just like the factory ones. These are the exact same black factory lights, except the factory ones have the cheese blocks on the side. These look a little more aftermarket, a little more chromy. So I don't know how that's gonna look with obviously the chrome and black grill, which is over here. Now if I had a full chrome grill, it'd be perfect. but I do have the black in the center, so I'm kind of interested to see how it looks. But right now it's a huge trial and error with the truck anyway. Most people don't like the chrome. A lot of people do like, or the gold. A lot of people do like the gold. Most people don't like all the chrome that's on the truck with the gold. They think I need to do more black on the truck. So it's kind of a big trial and error thing right now anyway. But I'm about to get a new lift kit, new wheels, new wrap probably. So I mean, none of it really matters right now anyway. I also didn't even have caps on the back of these at the moment, which probably doesn't help either, but I didn't even have the cap on the low beam on top because I had to drill a hole in the last one for the lighting trends color change bulbs. I had to drill a hole because your diode or your whatever it is for the RGB had to come out, and there's no way to do that with the seal. So I needed new bolt or new caps. Obviously the easiest way to do that is to buy another set. Factory amber bulb versus your aftermarket LED turn signal. Super easy. You just, most of you guys probably know this, but there's no caps back here. Just pop them open and out comes your bulb. So I've got the caps off. These aftermarket bulbs don't come with low beams, and I'm actually just gonna leave the low beams out for now until I can get some aftermarket ones that I'm happy with. So we're just gonna throw this little cap back on there, and then I'm gonna get the bulbs, the low beams for that. That's where Last Fit comes in. I've actually worked with Last Fit before. Only reason I'm not doing Alpharex right now is because, you know, I had already had those color matched, which isn't going to work with what I'm doing right now. But Last Fit, as far as just bulbs, I've done work with them before. Always been super happy. Christina has them on the Tahoe as well, so that's what we're going to be swapping out for today. Super easy. Plug her in. Get her inside the. Some of these aftermarket ones don't have as perfect of a fit as some of the other ones. All right, I got the first one in. Look at the difference between this and that. This might surprise me. I think the new clean chrome might actually look really good. That just means I'm gonna need to clean the rest of the truck today. This might actually look pretty good. I'm excited. Let me knock out the other side really quick, but look, having that much more light every day and then having the side markers too, that's gonna be super, super clean as opposed to how nasty and dirty and then that just ugly amber on this side. All right, here we go. New look, new look. Let's back it up a little bit so we can see it. I think I need a chrome grill now. Just finished that. Are you kidding me? Freaking plastic. I should have. That's what I get for waiting to take the plastic off. I tried to wait to save plastic reveal and it just. I got plastic stuck all over the damn place. That's unfortunate. That really sucks. I really like the new headlights, but I feel like I need a chrome grille now. This is gonna bother me. They're just like the ones that I had, except they don't have the black inside, they're chrome inside. Yeah. I don't know. I think it looks, I mean, it looks clean, but it's definitely a little bit different. Justin, you're the GOAT. I hope you know that. Look, I don't care what none of y'all say. Justin is one of the realest dudes. And I hope,
he had a big old smile on his face.
I hope nothing but the best for Justin. I'll have to with him. I was trying to wait until it got somewhat dark to show you guys the final product, but these are the new headlights with the new bulbs in them. I'm actually beyond impressed with the Last Fit
quality lights, and then also just the Amazon special lights, to be honest. Shout out to Christina for showing love to me for Christmas and you know, just blessing me with a new set of headlights because I needed them really badly. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think it's 1000% an upgrade from where it was. And let me know what you guys think of the new lights. I love the clear. I'm still back and forth whether or not I like the black housing or the all chrome housing. Let me know in the comments. But the truck is it's coming along nicely, but unfortunately we got a lot of changes coming. So even though it looks pretty good, I wouldn't get too used to it. I got a lot of things coming. Lift kit, wheels, tires, wrap, a whole bunch of stuff is getting changed. I think fog lights is gonna be one of my next ones that's gonna get changed on the truck. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. We only got a couple days left of the daily vlogs. Only a couple days left of the vlogs, the Vlogmas, until Christmas. So make sure you guys enter the giveaway. The prices are great right now. Hit the link for some merch. I love you guys. Let's get this bread.